Alright guys, so Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing, doing work in Tallahassee. This is a multiple repeat customer. Washed the house a handful of months ago and then also did the roof. Started this actually last night. Didn't get any footage. It was starting to get late, but ran out of daylight, so I'm back again today. She's got a lot of sand. That was slowing down progress just because I was essentially pushing sand, but gonna do the driveway and touch up this carport a little bit. I'm actually just going to start back over at the very beginning and just rewash everything. Won't take me long to get back to where I was at. Then I'll go with a heavy post treatment. Overall, it doesn't look bad. These lines you see are actually about where I stopped last night. As you can see, there's a lot of sand, and I just got to the point where I said, let me just come back and get it taken care of. So this down here, this hasn't been done yet. So I got my hose pulled and hooked up the water, and I'll go ahead and get started. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, let's have a look. So we're all done. I've got a post treatment down on everything. For the most part, everything cleaned up pretty well. Went through and actually blowed everything off again with a leaf blower, just trying to get some more of that sand off. Went ahead and did the sidewalk, driveway, and then these pavers as well. I'm all wrapped up and I gotta call it a day. Be off the next couple of days, but then I've got some gutter cleaning and a little bit more commercial work left at Tharp, and a house wash. So hopefully I'll get some good videos made and we'll continue on with the content. Thanks for watching.